Hi, my name is Andrew, and I got a haircut. So now, we're just gonna come over here to our garden. So, we're just gonna show you the stuff that we didn't show you in part 1 of our garden tour. So now, it's part 2 of our garden tour. And this is what we got now. Our garden. The sun's in my eye. This is our Swiss chard. And this is our zucchini. And right there we got one. We're gonna be making some zucchini bread. And this is the left of our rosemary and oregano. And this is a giant fat eggplant. I think that's actually the biggest one we got yet. And there's another. And there's another one right there. 3? I thought there was only 2. And these are our cherry red peppers. And they're good for stuffing cheese in them and marinating them. And this is our red Russian kale. And this is our dinosaur kale. That's a real name. Dinosaur kale. And that is a squirrel digging in our carrots. That makes me mad. And guys, do you remember these? I planted these on my very first video. These are the pole beans. Yeah, they're really, and you're probably still wondering why they're called a pole bean. Because they're a bean and they go up a pole. Okay? All of these leaves are kind of like a tiny jungle. And this is our cauliflower, but we're still waiting for the cauliflower on the fall. And the honeydew got bigger. And you know that pumpkin's already there, but this guy snuck in. He snuck in last night. And this is our tiny lettuce. We don't know how it got there, but it's there now. And this is our red cabbage. And we love it, so we already ate one. And we got 3 more. Wait, no, 4 more. Yeah, I think we got 4 more left. And this is our corn. And I think we planted it in one of our other videos. And it's bigger than me. And and this one's ready to go because of this. And because I can feel it. Let's see it. Ooh. I love corn. I'm just gonna eat this. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below if you can find me in all this corn. Bye. I'm gonna eat my corn!